Welcome to this session of Object-Oriented Analysis and Design. In this session, we will see what is our next artifact, that is system sequence diagram. Analysts generate this system sequence diagram after use case diagram is drawn and use cases are written. Let us see what is this SSD all about. Now, what do you mean by sequence diagram? It is a sequence diagram. So basically it contains sequence of messages. That's why it is called as sequence diagram. Now sequence of messages between whom? So it is nothing but system sequence diagram. So basically in this diagram system is appearing as a black box. So this is important word. System is appearing like a black box. So we are not going to open this system block further. So it is a black box. So what is the meaning of black box? So it means we don't know internal details of the system and it will just appear like a box for us and we will be interacting with that box. So system will appear like a black box and external actors, so maybe cashier, external actors interact with this system box by means of sequence of messages. Now this sequence of messages will be like to and fro from actor to system, system to actor. So system to actor, whatever messages are coming, that are called as responses and they are shown with the dotted arrow. So what this SSD is basically showing, it is showing how your system interacts with the outside world. Now whenever we say system interacts with the outside world, does it in UCD also we said the same thing? System interacts with the outside world, there is a difference. In UCD we said that it shows how different actors are interacting with different scenarios within the system. So it is not showing really in detail that how that interaction happening. It simply shows which actor is having interaction. So we simply draw a line from an actor to the use case. So it shows that whether there is an interaction available or interaction absent, that much only it shows. It does not really show that how interaction happens. So that part is getting covered in SSD. So SSD shows how external actor interact with system by means of different messages. Now what these messages are, for example, if we take example of process cell scenario in point of sale case study, so what messages cashier will be given to the system? That will be many events which are happening from external world to system. So which are those events? For example, start the new sale. So this is one sort of event which is coming from outside world to the system. So there will be certain message which will be actually in form of that event will be shown in form of message in SSD. So that message will go from cashier to system. That is actually the event. So if we say starting a new sale, so it may be appearing like this: make new sale, and it is in form of function. We will show that message and that will be appear like message coming from cashier and going to system. So what SSD shows? It shows interaction between actor and system by means of different messages. Different messages coming from outside world and responses are going from system to the outside world. So this is what SSD is. Thanks for watching this session. See you in the next lecture.